How to create a Crunchyroll account. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own Crunchyroll account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here on Crunchyroll, and to create an account, all I would have to do is come over here to the right hand side, click on the button over here, and it'll ask me to go ahead and create an account, login, or gift card. I'm going to create an account, click on it. It's going to take me to this section where I can go ahead and create my account by entering in my email address, password, and confirming. So I'm going to do that and then click on create account. Next, it's going to take me to this section where boom, now I have created an account. Now I can go back and go into my Gmail and confirm or verify my email address. But we can do that later. But now, boom, we have now created an account and we are good to go. Now we can go ahead and watch our favorite anime, and we can even start watching Lord of Mysteries. So just click on it and just simply click on start watching. And if you want to go ahead and watch without ads, go ahead and try their premium plan. Pretty cool. So there you go. Personally, I'm a One Piece fan. Let me actually go ahead and check how far the actual anime is on this website, because sometimes it does take a day or two, maybe a couple of weeks to go ahead and, for simultaneous release. Japan anime releases first in Japan, and then for the rest of the world it's a bit later. So currently, we got season 5, season 13. It's currently in the Wano arc, whereas on other sites you can see some of these options are still premium. You would have to wait a couple of while or a couple of days to actually go ahead and watch them. But yeah, so there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can go ahead and create your Crunchyroll account. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.